DCT's traceability systems provide access to relevant cleaning process data such as process times, temperatures, conductivity levels, possible errors, and more. It enables connection, monitoring, management, and operating of DCT cleaning equipment. There are 4 different levels of traceability we can set up based on your preferences and requirements. Barcode Reader is applicable for all 4 types. The first level is offline traceability, with the final process data being stored on an SD card inserted into the machine's PLC. The data are available in a CSV file. To read the file, you simply remove the SD card from the PLC and copy data to your PC or download data through FTP server. The second traceability level brings the possibility to store and view all process data online, thanks to an integrated industrial PC operated by Windows. Process data are recorded in TXT or XML files on PC's hard drive. Setting up your IP address allows you to transfer all data from the PC's HDD to any other device connected to your network. The third traceability level uses an online connection of the cleaning system to your network through OPC UA server. The output is not a file, but access to the OPC client with online cleaning process data that can be used for other traceability operations. OPC UA server is installed on an integrated industrial Windows PC. In this case, the OPC client installation and setup are on your side. The fourth and the most advanced traceability level is fulfilling Industry 4.0 requirements. It uses an online connection of a cleaning system to your information network, often referred to as MES, Manufacturing Execution System. In this case, the output is not a file, but a direct access to your network through TCP/IP protocol. Setting up your IP address allows you to connect to the Oracle MES system. With this setup, the cleaning system can be controlled remotely. You can start or stop the process, reset it, choose the type of the cleaning program, and more. The level of traceability is always set up individually based on your specific requirements.